Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one based application. You can upload your pictures, you can upload any picture you want, and it is not necessary to you upload your own picture. You can earn free cryptocurrency from that website just uploading your picture, or you can upload any picture you want and you follow other people, you like their posts, and this website pay you cryptocurrency. Okay, let's get started. And okay guys, this is the application link available in description. Click the link and come here, start earning from this website. Okay, first of all, you make an account. Making an account is very easy. You can make an account. Okay, and you can upload any picture you want. Just you can see I upload my own picture, and this much like I take it, and this is the last uploading picture in my own picture in this I uploaded 2 hours ago, and this much like I take it, and this will be paying you coins, and the equal coins you can easily making your converting a coin to your USDT, and you can withdraw your USDT to your coin based on your Bitcoin, your Litecoin wallet address. Okay, the first way earning is a like. Okay, you can like other people picture, you can earn. You can see I available in here is a six like. I can click, just I click one like, you can see 50% coin I earn. Every like you can make 50%. If you participate in some giveaway to watch some advertisement, you can maybe earn much more. Okay, and you can see I left it for like, just I click one of and show you some advertisement, and you can like other people pictures, and you can see you congratulations, you earn a coin, and you can easily like it. And if you watch a video, you can increase one like and one more subscribe followers, you can easily make it, and you can easily earn it some much more coin. And you can see new available like in my account, and every 1 hour pay you 2 like and 2 followers. Okay, you can see I have this much followers. The best trick you can easily use to make much more followers for your account is follow other people. How you follow? You go to your own followers and you follow your own followers. Okay, not other people, you just follow your own followers. And the first time you follow 2 or 3 people in the other people, because first time you came here you didn't have any followers. After that you post one picture, upload your picture, you can increase, this will be increase your followers. Okay, I follow this much people, this much people following me. And how you can upload your picture, you just click it. I just watch one video every day. This website just you have every day one time you can upload. If you want to upload more than one time, you just watch one advertisement, and this will be allow you to you can upload a video picture. And now you can see this will be allow you to you can upload a picture. Just I click in here, just I go to uh, my pictures. I just upload one of the picture I want to upload, like I want to upload this picture. Okay, this not necessary you upload which picture you want to upload. You can upload any picture you want. Just go to your pictures and you can upload it. Just I want to upload this picture. Okay, you can see I just click it, upload it. Okay, and after this will be upload, the like will become over and over, is very fast, like come to your picture. Okay, you can see I just wait for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. You can see the like will become. Okay, this is a 4 or 5 like available in my picture right now. because I have much more followers. Because of that, a lot of like will become. Okay, yes, a 6 like, 7 like. This will be increased very fast. This is not slow for me, and it's too easy to make much more money from here. You can see 7 like I have, and I just wait for 1 hour. This will be increased much more like, and you can convert your coin to your USDT. This much USDT I have, this much coin I have. I just click withdrawal, okay, and I just click max, and just I converted. This will be to my USDT right now. I go to the withdrawal to show you 9 cents of USDT I have in my wallet or in my balance, and the minimum withdrawal amount for the Coinbase is 90 cent of USDT. I can withdraw. The next way withdraw is 2.20 USDT. This will be pay you Litecoin, and if you want to claim in your Coinbase, you can claim this one. After I reaching this much amount, I will be share with you the video. This is very fast earning website. You can see in my ranking country I am the number one. In my ranking country I am in the number one, okay, for the posting picture in this website. And if you have to join my this based application, the link available in description, click the link. After joining, just type my name, okay, and follow me. I follow you back. Just type my name, and you can see I come here. You just following me, and you can start chat with me in here. You can chat with me, and I can send you a gift card for 2000 coin gift card. Every single person to come here join with my link, and they can earn 10 cent or 25 cent if they will be joined with me, okay, joined with my referral link. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description, and you can easily earn from this website, okay. You can see, you just watch one advertisement. After watching one advertisement, this will be show you you can see I send a gift card for this person. This much coin gift card I send for this person, okay. I send you all this much gift card if you join with my referral link, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and if you like this application, do you earn much more without doing any task, anything, just uploading picture. You can earn free USDT dollar or a free Litecoin. This is the best way, okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.